Create funny Photoshop effects with just one click. Check out these creative Photoshop actions. Turn your photos into funny cartoons, caricature portraits, animated glitch effects, and more. It's easy when you download one of these powerful Photoshop actions. All these effects are available from Envato Elements. Access unlimited Photoshop actions, graphics, photos, and more for one low cost. You can find all the links in the description below. Let's start off our list of funny Photoshop ideas with this amazing caricature action. Easily adjust the eyes, lips, nose, or mouth of your subjects to create funny expressions and portraits. And don't worry if you're not a Photoshop expert, the action is easy to use and it helps you create just the effect you want. Create wild effects with the click of a button. The pixel sorter action lets you create funny Photoshop edits just by brushing over your photo to move the pixels around. You can move the pixels in 4 different directions or sort them randomly. The results are layered and easy to edit, so you can achieve the exact effect you want. Want to make yourself and your friends into caricatures from Grand Theft Auto? Use this Photoshop action to create a spot-on effect from any photo in just a few clicks. Create additional effects using the 15 color presets, 5 frame templates, and 5 collage templates available. Design wonderful double exposure effects with this super Photoshop action. Made for designers and creatives looking for inspiration, this action lets you create attractive designs that are fully editable. Mash up your favorite shots for exciting and unique pieces. With this action, you can create stunning double exposure effects even if you're new to Photoshop. Want to make your photos into cool animated glitches? With just a few clicks, create a video sequence of animated glitch effects from your photos or artwork. Use it to make your funny Photoshop ideas come to life. Rise up and become the next superhero with this wonderful Photoshop action. Apply a powerful fairy effect to your photos. This action is easy to use and you can choose from 4 different effect directions. Our next action improves your photos by placing eye-catching geometric shapes to create an abstract graphic poster effect. And the best part is this action generates a unique result every time you run it. So give it a try, the possibilities are endless. Create thrilling spotlight photos of your own with the Thriller Lights Photoshop action. This one-click action makes stunning photo effects perfect for photographers. The action uses a non-destructive workflow, so you can always go back to your original image if you want. Tweak the settings to get just the right effect. Inspired by the world of sci-fi, show off your love of cutting-edge technology with the blockchain Photoshop action. You can make your photos look as if they're composed by endless lines of code. The pack includes high-quality brushes, actions, and patterns to give your work that realistic tech look. Get a high-quality poster design fast with this contemporary graphic poster action. This Photoshop pack lets you create beautiful results inspired by geometric designs. It includes an action file, a pattern file, and a custom shape file, and you can combine them easily to achieve endless different results. Use it to improve your photos and achieve stunning Photoshop effects. Which one do you want to try? They're all available from Envato Elements, so just click the links in the description to download them. Like this video and subscribe to the Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel for more roundups and tutorials, including a free 3-hour course on Photoshop for beginners.